exercise is quite fantastic. I mean, when we were in college, uh, frankly, no industry used to come on college.
This is a welcome exercise, first of all. Like I said, I am looking at igniting more and more young minds through this service.
This is a positive movement. So
Basically, an overall exchange of ideas. So, any kind of workshop, if you can actually take out the time and do, it has to help all the people concerned.
It's absolutely mutually beneficial.
Mutually beneficial.
Students get to interact with the architects and same way the architect gets to interact with the student.
Programs like this are exciting in the sense it's a kind of an opportunity to revisit the college.
I think it's quite exciting, and it's always good for us to work with students in whatever way possible, because over time our ideas also start getting dated, and while we can do with some fresh new thinking to really energize us, I think they can also do with some amount of serious experience based feedback.
This is a leap ahead where we are actually mentoring, you know. So in a way, it is more of a conversation. It's more of a samvad between the mentor and the mentee.
Whenever we go to the college, there's always a conventional talk of the bridge between the gap between the profession and the academics. How do you basically bridge this?
If students are actually allowed to interact with professionals, it really widens their horizon. You know, they're in this limited sphere, and you know, when they see what is happening around, that kind of mixing which will happen in a workshop will really help.
No, but like, you study a poetry of William Wordsworth, which is daffodils, in school, and you never get to see a daffodil what it is. There's no poetry of rose in our textbooks. So whatever we studied was possibly available in UK or somewhere abroad. I mean, the maquette details and other things. By getting industry on the campus, you are actually going to have an exposure to what is actually seen, and possibly that is what you are going to study.
When you ignite minds, then you never know. I mean, you have a winner on your hands. They might just be more innovative than they have been in the past. So it's just that flashpoint what they require.
We have been fortunate. A lot of people have called us for seminars and workshops and all that. But this is a lot more interactive than anything that we have done.
what is more important is, I think, tapping the young talent at just the right time, because I think while we were students, we didn't have this kind of external influence coming in. We were more or less limited to our curriculum, the books, the faculty coming and teaching us. This external kind of stimulus is necessary for students. Meeting other architects, coming to know about new materials, interacting with other students. That's very, very important.
I'll enjoy this exercise. As a student, it's more good break from your college. You're not seeing the same old professors every day.
Take full advantage of a forum like this. There aren't many forums like this happening at this point in time. So give it all you have got, absorb as much knowledge as you can, and let's discuss this subject as aggressively as we can, so that we both learn.
Good thing, but that's what and how it will work on paper. But I think really it's going to be one big party. We're going to enjoy ourselves completely, and we're going to ensure that the students are also going to enjoy. We're going to ensure that at the end of the day or the process, they have big smiles pasted on their faces.